Have you ever looked at the small pile of wood scraps left behind after finishing a project and wonder if they were worth keeping? Maybe they're too short to become a shelf, too narrow to build a table, too irregular to fit into your next piece of furniture. For many people, those little offcuts end up in the fireplace, the trash bin, or forgotten in a dusty corner of the workshop. But here's something surprising. Some of the most profitable woodworking projects don't begin with large boards or expensive hardwoods. They begin with pieces of wood so small that most people wouldn't even think twice before throwing them away. In fact, many successful makers have built entire small businesses around projects that fit in one hand. Why? Because customers aren't always looking for large furniture. They're looking for meaningful gifts, beautiful home decor, practical organizers, unique kitchen accessories, personalized decorations, items that add warmth and personality to everyday spaces. And the best part is that these projects often require less material, less time, and fewer tools while offering excellent opportunities to earn extra income. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're exploring how thoughtful design, careful craftsmanship, and a creative mind can transform tiny wood scraps into admired handmade creations, pieces beautiful enough to decorate a home and valuable enough to become products people are excited to buy. The journey begins with a simple shift in perspective. Instead of asking, "What can I build from this scrap?" start asking, "What problem can this piece solve?" That question changes everything. Every successful handmade product has a purpose. Sometimes it organizes. Sometimes it decorates. Sometimes it simply brings joy. When your project serves a purpose, people naturally see its value. That is why many small woodcrafts outperform larger furniture when it comes to selling. They're affordable, easy to display, simple to ship, and they fit beautifully into almost every home. The first lesson every craftsperson learns is that small projects demand just as much attention as large ones. A tiny tray deserves perfectly smooth edges. A candle holder deserves careful sanding. A phone stand deserves balanced proportions. Customers notice these details immediately. When someone picks up a handmade item, they're not only judging its appearance, they're feeling the finish. They're noticing the weight. They're looking at the grain. They're quietly deciding whether the piece feels professionally made. Fortunately, creating that feeling doesn't require expensive machinery. It requires patience, a sharp hand plane, a sanding block, a quality finish, and the willingness to slow down. As you begin looking through your scrap pile, you'll quickly discover that every piece suggests a different possibility. A square block becomes a candle holder. A thin strip becomes a bookmark. A wider offcut becomes a serving board. A small hardwood block becomes a desk organizer. Instead of seeing leftovers, you begin seeing opportunities. That simple mindset is what separates waste from value. One of the most rewarding mini projects is the wooden candle holder. Its shape is simple, but its impact can be remarkable. A carefully finished block of walnut, oak, maple, or reclaimed timber instantly adds warmth to a dining table, coffee table, or bookshelf. The natural grain becomes the decoration. Nothing complicated is necessary. The wood already contains its own beauty. When paired with soft candlelight, even the smallest piece of timber feels luxurious. And customers appreciate that simplicity. Another timeless favorite is the wooden plant stand. Houseplants continue growing in popularity, and people are constantly searching for attractive ways to display them. A compact stand built from reclaimed wood elevates a simple flower pot into a decorative centerpiece. The project requires very little material, yet it transforms an ordinary plant into part of the room's design. That's the magic of thoughtful craftsmanship. Small improvements often create the biggest visual impact. Desk accessories are another excellent example. As more people work and study from home, organized workspaces have become increasingly important. A handmade phone stand, a pen holder, a business card display, a headphone rest. These are simple objects, but they improve everyday routines. Better still, they often become thoughtful gifts. People enjoy giving practical items that also feel personal. And handmade woodcrafts offer exactly that combination. Perhaps one of the most satisfying projects involves decorative wooden risers. These little platforms have become incredibly popular in kitchens, bathrooms, and coffee stations. At first glance, they're simply small wooden platforms with short legs. But when someone places soap dispensers, candles, coffee jars, or decorative accessories on top, the entire countertop instantly looks more organized and elegant. The riser doesn't demand attention. It quietly improves everything placed upon it. That's excellent design, helping other objects shine. Serving trays offer another wonderful opportunity. Even the smallest offcuts can become beautiful trays for jewelry, candles, perfume bottles, keys, or kitchen spices. Rounded corners, smooth handles, natural oil finishes. These tiny details elevate simple wood into something customers proudly display in their homes. And because every piece of wood carries a unique grain pattern, every tray becomes one of a kind. That uniqueness is something factory-made products struggle to match. Wall decor provides another exciting direction. Small geometric wood art made from offcuts has become increasingly popular in modern interiors. Tiny blocks arranged thoughtfully can create patterns that appear surprisingly sophisticated. The materials cost very little. The creativity adds enormous value. Customers aren't simply buying wood. They're buying design. That distinction is important. Design transforms materials into products. As your skills improve, you'll notice another interesting pattern. The projects become less about construction and more about refinement. Cutting wood is only the beginning. Sanding creates comfort. Finishing creates richness. Careful assembly creates confidence. Every extra minute spent improving these details increases the perceived value of the final product. This is especially important when selling handmade crafts. People associate quality with attention. If the finish feels silky smooth, they assume the craftsmanship is equally thoughtful. Often, they're right. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. One particularly enjoyable category involves seasonal decorations. Mini wooden trees, rustic pumpkins, snowflakes, stars, holiday ornaments. These projects require tiny amounts of material, but consistently attract customers looking for unique home decor. Because they're seasonal, people often purchase several pieces together. Collections naturally increase sales. Another favorite among buyers is personalized wooden gifts. A small name plaque, a family sign, an engraved keepsake, a custom key holder. Adding personalization transforms a simple object into something emotionally meaningful. People remember personalized gifts. They keep them for years, and they happily pay more for something created specifically for them. This emotional connection is one of the greatest strengths of handmade work. Large retail stores struggle to provide it. Individual makers excel at it. Kitchen accessories continue offering excellent opportunities as well. Many cutting boards, coasters, napkin holders, recipe stands, tea light holders. These practical items become daily companions inside the home. Everyday usefulness builds appreciation over time. One project often overlooked is the wooden book stand. Readers, students, and cooks all appreciate a sturdy stand for books or tablets. Simple angled pieces joined carefully can become elegant additions to desks and kitchens. Again, thoughtful design turns small scraps into meaningful products. As projects continue filling the workshop, another realization becomes obvious. Consistency matters. Imagine displaying 10 handmade items together. If they all share similar finishes, clean craftsmanship, and complementary design, they immediately look like a professional collection. Customers enjoy coordinated products. They imagine combining several pieces throughout their homes. A candle holder matches the serving tray. The serving tray matches the riser. The riser matches the organizer. One purchase naturally leads to another. That's how thoughtful product collections grow. And that's often how successful handmade businesses begin. Photography also becomes part of the creative process. A beautiful project deserves beautiful presentation. Natural light, clean backgrounds, simple styling. a small plant, a linen cloth, a ceramic mug. Suddenly, the product feels alive. Customers begin imagining it inside their own homes. That emotional picture influences purchasing decisions more than technical descriptions ever could. Equally important is storytelling. People love knowing where materials came from. Perhaps your walnut came from storm-damaged branches. Maybe the oak originated from reclaimed flooring. Perhaps the pine once belonged to an old farmhouse. Stories add personality. They remind customers they're purchasing something genuinely handmade rather than factory-produced. Sustainability also plays an increasingly important role. Modern buyers appreciate products that reduce waste. Every scrap reused becomes one less piece sent to the landfill. Every reclaimed board receives another chance to serve a purpose. Your workshop quietly contributes to environmental responsibility while producing beautiful objects. That's something worth celebrating. Pricing handmade crafts can sometimes feel intimidating for beginners. Many worry about charging too much. Ironically, charging too little often creates the opposite problem. Customers frequently associate higher quality with fair pricing. Your time matters. Your creativity matters. Your craftsmanship matters. Every project reflects years of learning and practice. Never forget that people aren't only buying wood. They're investing in skill. As word spreads, repeat customers begin appearing. Someone who purchased a candle holder returns for a serving tray. A friend requests matching coasters. A family member orders personalized gifts. The business grows gradually through trust rather than advertising alone. Satisfied customers become your best marketing. This slow, steady growth mirrors woodworking itself. Patience produces lasting results. There are no shortcuts to craftsmanship. And thankfully, customers recognize authentic work when they see it. Perhaps the greatest reward comes at the end of each project. You hold a finished piece that began as an overlooked offcut. Something destined for the scrap pile now sits beautifully on a shelf, a kitchen counter, or a coffee table. Its purpose has completely changed. Its value has completely changed. Its future has completely changed. That transformation never loses its magic. The more projects you complete, the more opportunities you begin noticing. Suddenly, nothing looks like waste anymore. Every leftover board suggests another idea. Every offcut hints at another creation. Your imagination grows alongside your skills. And before long, your workshop fills not with discarded scraps, but with possibilities. That is the true beauty of many woodcraft projects. They teach us that creativity isn't measured by size. A tiny piece of wood can carry enormous value when shaped with intention. A simple design can brighten someone's home. A thoughtful handmade gift can become a treasured memory. A modest project can become the beginning of a successful business. And perhaps most importantly, every finished creation reminds us that beautiful craftsmanship doesn't require expensive materials or enormous workshops. It begins with careful hands, a creative mind, a willingness to learn, and the ability to see opportunity where others see only leftovers. Because in the hands of a thoughtful maker, even the smallest scrap of wood can become something extraordinary, beautiful enough to decorate a home, meaningful enough to become a cherished gift, and valuable enough to build a profitable handmade business, one carefully crafted project at a time. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.